Hi, my name is Wanda from Sound Desire. Today we're going to be making a Kumihimo bracelet, and I have already made my loop. I have a tutorial that will be up on that soon, and we're going to put the string according to the picture on the left. So Kumihimos are done in twos, which means they're going to be two strings on each side or on each place. So today we're going to be leaving two spaces in between the sets. So we have our two green strings, then we have number 4 and 5 will be pink and 6, then 9 and 10 will be pink pink, and on the next side we'll have two greens. Sorry, that string was twisted, I didn't want it untwisted. Now we're going to put our green string, dark green string, on one side. I'm just going to speed this up a little, and then we're doing the other side, another green, and then it's supposed to be two pink together and two black, so I just changed it to be the proper way. Now here we go, top to bottom, side to side, and diagonally. Now we're going to get started. So we're going to take number 2 and move it all the way down to 16. Then we're going to take 18 and move it up to 32. Then turn anti-clockwise there. Now we're going to take 6 and move it to 20. And then we're going to take 22, move it to 4. Turn that anti-clockwise, sorry. Then move from 10 to 24 and from 26 to 8. Turn again, 14 to 28. Then we're going to move 30 to 12. Turn. Now we're going to move 17 to 31, and we're going to move 1 to 15. Now we're going to move 21 to 3. We're going to move 5 to 19. Turn. We're going to move 25 down to 7, and we're going to move 9 up to 23. Turn. We're going to move 29 down to 11, and we're going to move 13 to 27. Now we're at where we started. Though it shifted a little, but we're at where we started. And you just keep going. 32 down to 14, 6 it up to 30, and then the next one. This is a pretty easy and simple way to make a friendship bracelet in about an hour, though depending on how many strings you're using. For this watermelon bracelet here, we used a total of 16 strings, so not as much as the other tutorial I have that was about 20 or 21. This one is a little bit smaller, though it depends on the width of your string. I'm using wool here, so it's going to be thick but not all that thick. And we're just going to keep going like this until when you reach your desired height. It might be a little slow process, but slow and steady wins the race, I guess. You're just going to have to keep taking down, bringing up until when you reach your desired length. By the way, I just put for my string, I just use my index finger and point all the way to my chest or shoulder sometimes, and that's how I measure my string. I don't have an exact measurement. Then if I know I want to make multiple sets, I'm just going to measure that and see how it's looking. Here I'm like a quarter. Well, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.